time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control. And if you can take it, all about your debt. And if you can pay it.
Alright, what's going on, Teddy Nation? I'm just finna jump straight into this video. Man, watch the people you hang around, bro. If you want to keep your energy high, you want to keep your energy on that next level, and you want to keep your energy like always in positivity, you can't hang around negative people. Negative people is gonna just ruin your whole energy, your whole energy field, bro. Make sure to stay magnetic and keep wisdom as your first teacher. This goes for all of the young men out there. It goes for anybody. Really, make sure you keep wisdom as your first teacher. Wisdom is gonna help you get through a lot of things. Make sure you guys, I hope that you guys, when you guys woke up, you prayed and you just thank God just for this day. And make sure to stay grateful. Make sure you honor your parents. And just make sure, man, you take these days and just really put in the dedication that you need to pursue your future forward. And just remember, the man that you look in the mirror, you can become that man. You can become that man of your dreams. For the guys, you can become that man that you see yourself being. It might not gonna take 6 months. It might take 12 months. It might not take 12 months. It may take 5 years. But just remember to always take day in, days out to progress yourself that much further. When you guys get a lot of money, make sure to keep putting things back. Like keep putting money towards your future and just forget about that money. I know I mentioned it in some of my other videos, and I constantly state these things times and times and again. But I'm saying this because I really want you guys to succeed as much as I want to succeed. Bro, like the world we live in today, like it will really just degrade you for trying to even be better. Like nobody want to see you on top until you be on top. And even when you get on top, that's when all hell breaks loose, because everybody gonna want something from you. Everybody gonna want their hands out, and everybody gonna want a piece of your pie. 3.14. But everybody gonna want a piece of their pie. Don't let nobody get no piece of their pie, bro. You don't stop letting folks loot off your plate. Stop letting folks eat off your plate. Make sure you get full. Like, and when you get full, don't make sure you overeat it. Make sure it's enough for like the body. Like this goes for like nutrition, food, and this is just a life lesson. Like you can take life out of anything, bro, and just make sure the thing that you learn, make sure you practice them things every day, and don't just do this thing just one time. Do it every day. I know a lot of people be on YouTube, they be on these junk flexing and just selling you guys false information. But I'm gonna try my hardest not to like give you guys like cliffhangers. Well, yeah, to give you guys cliffhanger, I'm gonna try to give you guys the raw, the real, the 100. I'm coming out North Memphis. As you guys know, my name is KiddTaliban. Come on now, Teddy Nation. I ain't doing no more introduction after this, bro. I ain't introducing my name no more. Y'all guys should know who I am, bro. But Teddy Nation, make sure you go and get in that Discord. I be dropping gems. I be sending uplifting messages and all that. Just to keep everybody's spirit high and to keep us maintain on the long-term goals. So for you young men out there, I know a lot of y'all, some of y'all want to get married. And a lot of y'all, like y'all don't know the steps to take. Well, for one, marriage is a long-term commitment. So if you really want to get married, bro, you really just got to go ahead and explore and really find that one person that meant for you. Like if you young, you like 16, 17, 18, anywhere in them lines, I wouldn't suggest you like going out there looking for love. Let love find you, bro. Make sure you maintain your bread, man. Stack your funds, man. Start that business. Go on, get your bar rolling, cause if you don't, man, like I said before, life gonna beat you up. Go on here, go on, get something established for yourself. Go on, do the do. Just do it, as Nike say, and just keep your mind on the prize. Keep your mind on that long-term mission. If you do content creation, man, keep posting. That video gonna blow up one day. You just gotta keep posting, keep doing this. Stay dedicated to it. Man, if you a doctor, keep getting them patients in, keep helping people. See, I don't make content like for. My content is very niche down. Like I make motivational content. I make consistency content. I make dedication content. I do vlogs also, trying to get into other things. But for right now, we just gonna stay focused on the main term goal. We gonna learn how to stay consistent. We gonna learn how to stay dedicated. We gonna motivate ourselves and gang and family, Teddy Nation, TN. Like we gotta learn temperance. Like we gotta learn how to abstain ourselves from worldly lust, just to keep our mind focused, because there's a lot of distractions out here in this world. Like it's a lot of us from a lot of people, they are from the hood. I know I grew up from the hood, and you know, like it can be distracted because on this corner you got niggas that's smoking weed, that corner you got niggas that's claim they ballin', but behind you you got niggas that look up to you. Like choose your ways wisely. Like you don't always gotta be in the middle of a crowd, bro. You ain't gotta be amongst the crowd. You can stand out by yourself. You can be that sore thumb, bro. You can be that person. You can be that black sheep. You can be that person that stand out. You can be that lone wolf, or what folks like to call it, or whatever folks want to call it. You can be that person. It's okay to be by yourself and just want better for yourself, until you find them friends that want to do, that's doing what you're doing. Until you find that girlfriend that want to take the time and build with you. Learn to stay lonely. Learn to build by yourself first. So when them things come, you can know how to deal with them type of things. Like time works consistency. Like time works patience. Time works consistency. And time just work. Time works money in general. Like your time, I always say this. I've been saying this. Your time is a pearl. Treat your time like it's everything. Because if you don't, bro, you gonna let these days go by and you gonna really see that you ain't do nothing. So keep doing the do. Get up every morning, eat that early money frog. Man, keep working on them abs. Keep going to the gym. Just keep doing it. The moment you slip, I'm not saying that it's gonna. I'm not saying like someday you not gonna do it, but for the most part, just get up and do it, bro. Stop letting 3, 4, 5 days, 6, 7, 8 days go by and you ain't did nothing with your life. Like, as our whole life career, everybody be asking us, where you see yourself in 5 years? What you find yourself doing in the future? Stop letting these 5, 10 years go by and y'all ain't doing nothing. Now I'm speaking as the world as a whole. We gotta take incremental steps. Like some of us got kids. We know that. Look at this one I got in the car, bro. Someone say hey to the camera. He's just gonna sneak his way in. Say hey to the camera. This is my little catty cat, y'all. Simba, both Simba for Batman cat. Any jump messing up stuff. Give me 1 sec. But yeah, any jump messing up stuff. Both Simba for Batman cat. But like I was saying, man, take days in, days out, and just to push your life further. And like when you see yourself in 5 years, you can actually be there in 5 years. But them 5 years starts for today's decision. Real talk. That 5-year man that you see yourself being in 5 years, that 5-year woman that you see yourself being in 5 years, it starts with today's decision. Days in, days out, you gotta put in the time, the dedication, the persistence Keep your mind focused, bro. Stop being distracted. I know, like, KiddTaliban, how can I stop being distracted and keep my mind focused? Well, for starters, bro, I feel like it start with your environment. Even when you in the house, get up, clean up your room. Stop dusting stuff under your bed. Stop throwing everything in your closet. Actually take the time to fold them things up. I know a lot of men in general, like, men, like, we just be throwing stuff. Like, wherever we find it at, that's where it's gonna be at. But we gotta stop doing it. Organization is really the key. I said it because it'll help you find stuff easier, and you can get to where, like, you can pull stuff way more easy than clutter. Clutter is really not where it's at. Mess is really not where it's at. Growing up, I used to hear, like, cleanliness is really next to godliness. And I find it kind of true, cause, like, when I feel dirty, or like when things disorganized, my own self opinion here, like, I feel like I'm distracted. Versus when everything's put together and everything's clean, I feel like, okay, I can really do it now. Like, my mind becomes decluttered because my environment is decluttered. Real talk. So start there. Like, start organizing your life. Start planning your day the day before. Like, if you know you want to post some videos, go on, write out your scenes, write out what you're gonna talk about, all that the day before. So when you get out today, or when you get out the next day, you will already have a somewhat of a guideline on what you're gonna do, on how this video gonna be, speaking for the content creators, or how my day might turn out to be. But it all starts with today's decisions, though. You can't stop constantly waiting, bro. Constantly waiting, it's just killing time. Treat your time like a pearl. I'm telling you, that's all you got. It's really your time and your health. Guard your money, and just keep pushing, keep striving to the end. Stay patient. I know things gonna get frustrating. I know, like, oh, it's a headache. I know, like, much study rear the brain. I know it's gonna be a headache, but just keep seeking it out, keep digging, and, bro, I promise you, in the end, if you keep doing it, can nobody take it away from you, because you know you put in that work, you know you put in that time, you put in that effort. Man, just days in, days out. Keep going. Days in, days out. It's not grievous, bro. It's easy. It's easy, bro. It's easy to get up to eat that frog in the morning. You might not want to eat that frog in the morning, but it's easy to do. Just go on, go do it. Go on do it. So you can have the rest of your day for yourself. You can have all the time to party, bro. Like, if you put in the 5 years now, you can say you 50 years later on in life. But it all starts with today's decision. I know they be like, KiddTaliban, you don't stay consistent. I'm like, but for the most part, I am consistent. Like, stop letting folks look at you for your downsides. Start picking yourself up for the upsides. I know some of y'all might call it counting your blessings, but I just call it doing the do. Like, own it. And it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to mess up. In the Bible, it said, wise man falls 7 times, but what make the man wise that he get back up. Like, it's okay to fall. It's okay to maybe stagger a little bit, but for the most part, as long as you keep going and you pick yourself up and you don't let nobody turn you around, then you going. You good, my bro. You good. Because for the most part, the world don't care about you anyways. But nobody really care about you doing, but you need to care about what you're doing. You need to try to make sure that what you're doing is exactly how you seen it. Ain't nobody gonna care about that, but you should care about that. Teddy Nation, you should care about that. You should care about wanting to see your life way further in the future. Way further than where you are in the future. I know a lot of us just getting started in our business, man. Keep pushing that business days in, days out. It's gonna come. What you seeking for out that business is going to come. It's going to come. But the moment you stop is the day that it's gonna get taken away from you. I'm not talking about, like, stop as in, oh, I need a day off because I've been working my ass off. Most folks say they don't take no day off, but everybody take vacations, I ain't gonna lie. But the moment you stop, I mean, like, you think you doing. If your business don't run itself, you don't need to be stopping anyways. I say the only moment you should stop is when your business running itself. If your business, if what you're doing is not running itself, it's not making money in your sleep, you shouldn't stop. Or if you don't got enough employees to help you to get there, then you shouldn't stop, bro. Life is not a race. Life is a marathon. But keep going though. Keep going. This the main thing about this thing. Like, it's not like, how can I explain it? It's not like, okay, I can do this thing one day, then I'm done with it. No, it's like, the more I do this thing, the more that this thing is gonna become established on my end. Like, the more you do it is like the more it becomes a part of you. Like, it's gonna be something nobody can take away from you. Like, for an example, you might not can drum, but you can play the guitar better than everybody else. But the more you play the guitar, the more that guitar is gonna be king into you. Just a small example, but just take the time, dedication, and the persistence just to keep your life pushing forward. Like, if you guys getting 1% better a day, try to get 2% better a day. Just keep trying to get better as a person, cleanse your mind, body, and spirit. Man, kill distractions. Like, love your neighbor as you love yourself. For you young men, learn to shoot. Learn to grow. And just be persistent. You know what I'm saying? Stay dedicated. Learn temperance. Have patience, bro. Like, just take the time out just to increase yourself. Because if you don't, bro, you're going to be in this same loop. Looping and 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 might even make a song out of looping. Because this what a lot of y'all be doing. Y'all just be looping and looping and looping and looping and looping and looping. You can't always be inside the box. It's okay to be outside the box. It really is okay to be outside the box. You don't gotta be in the in crowds, bro. You don't gotta be like everybody else. You ain't gotta be the top, the drippiest guy in the world. You just gotta know that what you're doing is what you're doing. Like, confirm what you're doing. Stop confirming what everybody else is doing. Like, the world, everybody's trying to people please. Stop being a people pleaser, bro. Stop people pleasing. The folks don't care about you. Like, it's harsh. You gotta provide value with this. You gotta have purpose. You gotta show that you care. Like, if you don't care about it, why would somebody else care about it? And this the real 100. Just be proactive, bro. Like, I can't tell you guys what's bothering you guys or like what's wrong with you guys' life. But 9 times out of 10, bro, if you got a problem, 9 times out of 10, there is a solution to that problem. Figure out that solution. I'm in these joints sweating. I ain't trying to come in these joints and get toasted. But keep going, Titty Nation. Just keep going. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard some days. It's gonna be easy others. But long as you keep going, long as you stay persistent, and long as you stay dedicated, and man, just let life. Sometimes you just gotta let life flow. Just let life flow. I know one of my dreams is like to get a play button. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I know some content creators it take them longer. Some take shorter. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get mine, but once I get mine, I'm gonna for sure show y'all that it does work. If that's what you guys wanna know. I really believe that YouTube give out play buttons. I don't know. I'm a small creator at this moment. Today's like July the 13th, 2026. And my name is KiddTaliban, and this is all for today's episode.